100 sentences using prepositions commonly found in everyday life. 1. She left her keys on the table. 2. The cat is under the bed. 3. I found my book in the drawer. 4. He stood by the door, waiting. 5. The flowers are for you. 6. She walked into the room quietly. 7. The coffee is on the counter. 8. They arrived at the party late. 9. I'll meet you at the park. 10. The picture hangs above the fireplace. 11. He placed the pen beside the notebook. 12. She lives near the school. 13. The dog jumped over the fence. 14. We walked through the forest. 15. The kids are playing in the yard. 16. He sat between his friends. 17. The letter is from my aunt. 18. The store is across the street. 19. She looked out the window. 20. He put the groceries in the car. 21. The jacket is behind the chair. 22. She ran along the beach. 23. He wrote a note on the paper. 24. The car is parked next to the tree. 25. The dog is inside the house.